How to log in to ANZ Bank online banking account. Now in order to log into your ANZ Bank's online banking accounts, you just simply need to open any of your browser and then search for ANZ Bank in there. And after searching that, this first link of ang.com will appear. Simply open it, and after opening the ANZ Bank's official website, you will get to see a lot of options. You just simply need to go to this upper section and tap to login button. After tapping into the login button, you will be in the login page of your ANZ Bank. You just simply need to enter your customer registration number in the very upper row, and after entering that successfully, enter the password associated with that specific account. After entering your customer registration number and password, tap the login button and you will successfully be logged in to your ANZ Bank online banking account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.